Okay, I bought a wristwatch from a company called BENYAR of Amazon. It's a exactly $30 watch, at least that's what I paid. And I'm not really good with my watches, so they sometimes break, so I decided not to buy an expensive anymore. And I will put the model number in the description below. And so let's just unpack it. So it comes with a cleaning cloth from BENYAR. Then it comes with a little instruction manual. It also comes with a guarantee or warranty card. And then we also have this little bag. I guess that's to get rid of moisture. And then we have the wristwatch itself. So the wristwatch has a nice leather strap. And then we have a black watch or wristwatch housing. The tachymeter here, you cannot turn that. Then you see how the watch actually looks from the side. Maybe need to polish it. And then when you buy it new, you have a plastic wrap here and a plastic wrap here. And let's just see how we can actually adjust the date. Okay, so we did one turn, we could adjust the date. It's not today's date, but doesn't matter. For this video we are just setting the clock a little bit. And then we have the start and stop function, which you can see here. And now let's just see how it looks on the arm. Okay, now let's put that thing on. The leather strap, it's a little bit stiff, but that's to be expected. I guess that's going to be better down the road. We have two nice leather straps here. And that's actually how the watch would look on the arm. It's pretty bulky, I kind of like that. And yeah, that's how this watch would actually look like a $30 watch. And I'm gonna make an updated video down the road after a few weeks wearing it, just to give you my impression, if it's the money worth or not. You cannot go wrong with just $30, right? And let's just show you the watch again. So you see here the watch in its full glory. And as I said, it comes with this nice cleaning cloth, which we have here, with a warranty or guarantee card, a little booklet, and then in this nice packaging. So we can put it back in there if we want to. And so that's the reverse process. And as I said, it came in this packing. Pretty nice for a $30 watch of Amazon. Kind of like the packing actually. I guess it's surely made in China, but I would not expect anything else from a $30 watch. Well, there you have it. And then at night the dials have that glow effect, but to be honest, I charged it just with a LED light, so I was holding an LED light right on top of the watch, so I'm not sure how long that actually will hold or how long it takes to fade.